Want to know how to prepare leaders to deal with the tensions that innovation brings? Strategic keynote speakers Dr. Gaia Grant and Andrew Grant offer a unique way to do this, one that goes well beyond the standard script. Together, they bridge the gap between deep research insights and agile strategies. This is the space where meaningful change occurs. Gaia Grant brings her original research to life, helping audiences reframe their thinking.
Today, innovators are our modern-day heroes. There hasn't been a lot of research into innovation leadership or entrepreneurship.
Andrew Grant challenges these audiences to convert strategic insights into rapid, real-world execution through dynamic engagement.
But our working memory can only actually take about 5 things at once. And if that working memory's overflowed, we have no room to be creative. If I'm sick, you can take over, because I think you are, except you need to face this way.
Together, the Grant's co-presentation ensures authentic, transformational impact using a distinct methodology. The result is a high-impact synergy that moves beyond standard, static keynotes. It's not possible to untangle complex future challenges with one-dimensional delivery styles. Rather than offering a traditional monologue, the Grants provide interaction, debate, and targeted facilitation.
Wow, I haven't seen that before. What is it? And what he's done is he's got the shapes and he's done all this shading outside the boxes.
People out of 500, is that our 2%? Because do we have a crime? Do we?
This dual delivery style creates a fast-paced, unscripted, podcast-style dialogue.
We need to give this lady a round of applause.
What I believe you did today was provide our clients those tools to help them become a marketing success.
Interactive tools such as digital collaboration platforms, gamified simulations, and real-time mapping turn passive listening into active problem-solving. Andrew and Gaia Grant's approach has been proven in their work with global giants who can attest to the value. With their dynamic co-delivery, Andrew and Gaia ensure your leaders are equipped to collaborate better and innovate faster. To navigate the future better, whatever it holds.